Alright, everyone. In this section, we'll build a real project while learning the concepts step by step. So let's quickly go over what we're going to build. We'll have a main page where we list students. These students will come from a database and we'll use JSON server for that. At the top, we'll create a navbar. On the left, we'll display the student list, and on the right, we'll have navigation links like home and add student. Now, when we click on a student, we'll navigate to a detail page and display that student's information. On this page, we'll have two main actions, edit and delete. If we click edit, we'll update the student's information. And after submitting, the changes will be reflected immediately. We'll also show a loading state during the update process. For delete, when we click the button, the student will be removed from the list. We'll also have an add student page. Here, we'll implement form validation. If required fields are empty, we'll display error messages. For validation, we'll use formic and yup, and show feedback to the user in a clean way. So throughout this project, we'll cover routing, data handling, forms, validation, and UI structure. And we'll build everything step by step in a practical way.